Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time. Anything that's been like being shifted from one generation to another one and all that. You should say what is it? A photo, jewelry, or anything like that's moving from one generation to another one. What is it? When your family had it means who purchased it, great grandfather and all that. How your family got it, and explain why it is important for your family. So 2 points are in present and 2 points are in past tense. Please, you can now speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, there are many things in my family which belongs to my grandparents or great grandparents. Like some old brass utensils and trunks and some kind of articles, wooden made articles like round table and chair. But here I would like to talk about the article which once belonged to my great grandmother. It may be almost 150 years old, and it is a set of gold jewelry. It is a set of gold jewelry, and it's been from long time in our family and transferred from one generation to another one. And it's a set of one necklace and with matching earrings, and it's our family heritage, and it's evergreen design of this gold set. And it's been this set is most of the time used by my mother. She wears it in many special occasions in our family. It's made with this gold set is made with some kind of rubies and emeralds, which colors are green and red. Otherwise, usually my mother's wear on the special occasion in the family, and she gets all the time good compliments on it. Otherwise, my father used to keep it in the bank locker.
Okay, thank you. Overall 1 minute 42 seconds, which is fine. Initially you said things which belongs. So this is what we call subject verb agreement mistake in present simple tense. And after that you are thinking and talking, then again thinking and talking. So try to focus your fluency as well. And you used and as a conjunction several times. So you can use other conjunctions also other than this and. And then you said in special occasions. It should have been on special occasions, right? And you said mother's wear. It should have been mother wears or anything like that. Okay, so these were the things, but overall it is good. So you just need to refine your language skills, and that will reflect in your speaking part 2. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Which do you think are better, old things or new things?
This is a difficult question to answer. In my opinion, the things like jewelry made in the past are better than the new one, because these designs are made by hands and these are pure designs. If we will go for the technological gadgets, I think the old new things are far better than the old one.
Okay, now this answer is overall very good. Theme of your answer is very good. Just try to be a little more elaborative and try to be a little more fluent, then it is fine. Good job. As well as family photographs, what are some other things that people keep in their family for a long time?
Well, apart from the family photographs, people used to keep
people usually keep
old jewelries for a long time. And other than that, people used to keep some kind
of commonly keep
clothing, and like I have one stall which belongs to my grandmother, and it was made by her. It is it's made by traditional Punjabi embroidery, and it is very beautiful.
Okay. Do you think it is good to recall the past?
I think it's good to recall the past because this is something which will show the which shows the our culture and traditions.
Okay, break nahi lagna chahiye. You should just go on and on and on.
Okay.
But anyways, I mean, the good thing is that you have the potential. So this is just your first performance. Gradually, things should be better, and things will be better if you will struggle. Right? You've got this book and everything, so you just have to go on with that. Anyways, looking at your performance at present, I'll give you 6 bands strictly, so that you work hard. But you may go up to 7 or even above.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Thank you.